The EETV box provides several convenient methods to record your favorite programs. We'll explore each recording method and show you how to manage your recordings effectively. Your EETV box is equipped with advanced recording capabilities. The green light indicates the box is ready to record programs. There are two main ways to manually record programs. First, you can press the red record button on your remote while watching any program to start recording immediately. Alternatively, you can schedule future recordings using the electronic program guide. Navigate to any upcoming program and select the record option. The program guide displays upcoming shows like MasterChef. Simply highlight the program and press record to schedule it. Voice control makes recording even easier. Simply say record, followed by the program name, and your EETV box will find and schedule the recording automatically. Series Link is perfect for following your favorite shows. When you enable Series Link for a program, it automatically records every episode in the series. You can also choose to record only new episodes, which prevents the system from recording repeats and saves storage space. All your recordings are managed through the My Recordings hub. This central location gives you complete control over your recorded content. The hub offers several management options. You can set up auto-delete to remove old recordings automatically, protect important recordings from deletion, view your recording schedule, and monitor storage space usage. Keep an eye on your storage usage to ensure you always have space for new recordings. The system will show you how much storage is being used and help you manage it effectively. With these recording methods and management tools, you'll never miss your favorite programs again. The EETV box makes it simple to record, organize, and enjoy your content whenever you want. Effective storage management is crucial for optimal EETV recording performance. Your EETV box has limited storage capacity, so regular maintenance prevents recording failures. Delete old recordings monthly to maintain optimal performance. Set up auto-delete policies to automatically remove watched content and prevent storage overflow. Schedule series recordings during off-peak hours to avoid conflicts. Peak viewing times between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. create the most scheduling conflicts. Stagger recording times for popular viewing slots. The EETV box can record up to 4 programs simultaneously while you watch a 5th program live. A stable broadband connection is essential for optimal recording performance. You need a minimum of 10 megabits per second for HD recording and streaming. Your EETV box hardware is designed to handle multiple simultaneous recordings efficiently. The device features advanced processing capabilities and intelligent conflict resolution. When you encounter storage full messages or recording conflicts, use these troubleshooting strategies. Strategic management of your recording schedule prevents most common issues. By following these optimization strategies, you'll maximize your EETV recording experience with minimal conflicts and optimal storage usage. Regular maintenance and smart scheduling ensure reliable recording performance.